Okay, I'm going to do a test. This is the measure section. I've whipped this out at the moment. You see the measuring marks on it. That's the bubbler. This is the unit I'm actually using here. Let me just fire on the switch and you'll see it producing. You can see the bars in here that I use. This is the bars that I've got on eBay. They're actually brilliant bars. There she goes. Now I've got a spark arrestor here for the first bubbler. I've got another one here to stop water running back. And there we go. Now I've put soapy bubble in here just to sort of show the principle, so you can actually see it coming through. Just so you can see it's hydrogen. And we'll spark one of these in a second. Now, bit too much there. Whoa, you fucker. Did you hear that? Wow, that really deafened me. I'll tell you, I'm not going to blow that up in the house. Jesus. That went off with a right crack. My ears are ringing there. Jeez. Wow. Can you see it producing? This bulb, it's like, oh man, my ears are still ringing. Jeez, you should get yourself a earmuffs, Thomas. I'm not liking that. I was going to like this and show you it, but I'm not going to. I mean, it's not going to actually pass on down the line. It's an impossibility. As long as you've got your cling film on there, alright. But there's no way I'm lighting it in the house. It'll blow the ears off me. Certainly not if you're a set of earmuffs on anyway. You see it producing there. Firing away quite happily. The noise is coming off this. This has got a bit of water in it. This is one of these units that it's to go into every European car to stop the petrol running back up the line to the tank. It's got a wee ball bearing in there, whereas this one's got wire mesh in there. Now I'm not liking that. No chance, no without a set of earplugs. My ears are still ringing. Wow. Jeez. But anyway, the because this is my feed line going in there, that's the first one you can see here. It's got such a heady water on it that there's no way that, you know, the explosion is going to come down through the water. So it's going to explode out here through the cling film. You got a big bubble in the cling film. Right, just to prove that it is that's making the noise and it's not leaking anywhere else, I've removed this. It's definitely that's making the noise. Look at it go. That produces really well, this wee unit actually. There's two bubblers on this. That's the first bubbler, and there's the second bubbler. What's actually going on here is I've got holes drilled here, here, and an 11mm centre hole. All three feed this one line across to the first bubbler. this one line across to the first bubbler. This is a non-return valve. Comes spark arrestor, but if you tip it right up, it will only feed liquid through, because what it actually does is comes up. I don't know if you can see that, it comes up here and drops down there, and just as much as you can tip it right up to go, you know, up a hill, and it will come up this one and feed into the line. So it's pretty much, you can drive through any kind of condition and it will at all times leak back into the back of that and still only pass gas through here, unless your car's sort of almost tip him over. I'm not liking that again. No chance. No in here, no without a set of earmuffs. Jeez, my ears were ringing there. But you see the principle there, eh? This is doubled up and it's an inch thick and it's right tight, and this is just a coin film. But you know, these are two ball valves, British gas ball valves again, so they're proper stuff. And I'll show you just under here. Into the middle of your pipe goes down, up, and inside, and then comes up for your gas intake, comes back down, round, up here, and out to wherever it's going. In the case this way. It fairly produces right enough. Again, this block, this is the last bubbler, stage bubbler here, and I've got an 11mm hole in there, you can see. It comes up and feeds the 8mm pipe. The 8mm pipe will pass 25 odd litres, but it might get a bit of back pressure in it, but it's still, it'll pass it all, no problem. I'm in it, you know, so. And you can see there my seals, the way I've bonded them in. These are solid. These haven't, you know, in fact I'll show you some in a minute.